Hi, I'm Tyler Nemus from Twin Star International. Thank you for being a ClassicFlame customer. Today I'm here to share with you how our beautiful inserts are made. Quality is our number one priority and integral throughout our manufacturing process. This is one of our many insert factories that we have been using for 7 years, and this factory has 500,000 square feet of manufacturing facilities in southeastern China and has 1,000 employees.
The manufacturing process starts at incoming quality control. In order to ensure that every product we make is of the highest quality, it is important that all incoming materials are checked thoroughly using ATL standards.
Part of incoming quality control is component testing. Here you will see one of our many testing labs, component testing labs. In these labs we test for life testing, cycle testing, under and over voltage testing, temperature testing, environmental test, and also some blocking tests. That was odd. It is important that we continuously check the components throughout production to ensure that they meet the high quality standards for Twin Star's products. In order to make stamped metal parts or plastic injection parts, we have to first make custom tools. Here you will see our in-house tooling workshop. We have a wide variety of mills, lathes, along with more precise CNC and wire EDM machines to create precision tooling to mass produce our fireplaces. Once the tools are made, they are loaded in the machinery to make the parts. Here you see metal stamping being used to fabricate fireplace parts. Sometimes to make the parts, they have to go through many different stamping processes to complete the final part. In addition to metal stamping, we also have laser cutting and CNC in-house. Once the metal parts have been cut or stamped, next they go through a multiple chemical baths to prepare the surface for a high quality finish. For our electric fireplaces, we use powder coating as an alternative to paint finish. Powder coating is a dry finish that is positively charged and sprayed onto a negatively charged metal part. The powder coating adheres to the metal part with an electrostatic charge. Then the parts are run through a kiln to bake the finish onto the metal for a permanent bond. Powder coating is advantageous to paint because it offers a more even finish and protects the metal parts better. This is where the manufacturing of our log sets and our fireplaces began. Here you see a craftsman meticulously carving a realistic log set. The log set sculptures are a composite of real burnt wood and clay. The finished sculpture is then cast with a silicone mold for reproduction. Once the molds are completed, here you see a worker using those molds to cast a log set. Once the log sets have been cast, next they are sent to the painting workshop. At the painting workshop, the workers apply a hand-painted finish for a realistic burning log set look. To maintain Twin Star's high quality standards, every log set is checked for inconsistencies or errors in a light box. Here you see plastic injection machinery. At our factory we have full capabilities of plastic manufacturing and injection. After all the components have been tested for proper quality and all the parts have been produced separately, they are brought here to the assembly line for final assembly. Here you see multiple assembly lines set up for fireplace production. On the assembly line, the workers take the individual components and step by step assemble them. The most important step on the assembly line is the full function test for each and every insert. All functions on the insert are tested to ensure Twin Star's high quality standards. The testing is done in a soundproof room so that the inserts can be listened to for unwanted mechanical noise. While production lines are running, quality control workers continuously take random finished samples from the production line for a more thorough quality test. During these tests, the workers once again check every function, this time more thoroughly, to ensure absolute proper function of the fireplace. The quality control workers also check the aesthetics and all the internal components to make sure that everything is properly assembled.